The Corsi Rosenthal Box, also called a Corsi Rosenthal Cube or a Comparetto Cube, is a design for a do-it-yourself air purifier that can be built comparatively inexpensively. It was designed during the COVID-19 pandemic with the goal of reducing the levels of airborne viral particles in indoor settings. Since COVID-19 was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on 11 March 2020, evidence, including increasing amounts of peer-reviewed research, has been accumulating that severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, the virus causing COVID-19, is airborne. Superspreading events are generally associated with indoor gatherings. In response to the emerging evidence and recommendations of infectious disease researchers, engineers have begun to consider how improved ventilation may reduce indoor viral loads. Air purification units with HEPA filtration can be expensive, often costing considerably more than $500. In August 2020, Richard Corsi, an environmental engineer and the incoming dean of engineering at the University of California, Davis, spoke with Wired reporter Adam Rogers about an idea he had for combining multiple store-bought filters with a box fan to improve the efficiency of homemade air filter designs. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.